Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update Remitly app. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Apple App Store on your phone. Once you do that, you're gonna see options like Today, Games, Apps, Arcade and Search. Tap on Search, then go to search bar and type in Remitly. Now select Remitly, transfer money, and right beside the icon you're gonna see an update option. If there's an update, now go ahead and tap on update, then give your Apple ID details, then your phone will start updating the Remitly app. And guys, that's it. That's how you update Remitly app. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.